In science, fourth graders at Colonial Elementary School are exploring the ecosystem and started at the bottom of the food chain with mold terrariums. The students put various foods on a paper plate, put the plate in a plastic bag, and then watched the mold grow over time.
Today we had our 12th day of observing mold terrariums. It has been a fun experience. It's been a cringy experience, but it was fun.
This mold, the dark spots, are the spores.
The students learned how mold is a decomposer that attaches to food and other dead matter in the ecosystem and breaks it down into soil that can grow new life. For the classroom's 4 mold terrariums, they added sugar to one, salt to one, started with a dirty table for one, and left the other one unchanged. Then they documented the daily progress for each condition.
So you see that the apple isn't as connected as everything else is touching. So I feel like that's why the apple doesn't have as much mold.
Oh good, yeah, the mold didn't transfer from any other food to it.
Teacher Shannon Stolbe got close-ups of the terrariums using a document camera so everyone could see. Fourth grader Lori Flannery also shared her own mold terrarium from home and got feedback from others in the class.
Zoe, yes.
The tomato is actually pretty good. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. I don't know how. I should have cut it.
Fourth grader Sammy Monastero enjoyed the process of watching how the mold affected the different items and how much time it took the mold to grow.
I've never really observed mold before because I never really thought it would be interesting. But now since I've observed it in my class, I think it's pretty cool.
With their new understanding of mold, the fourth graders will now be moving up the food chain to observe another potentially cringy contributor to the ecosystem, worms.